This week we have been learning about plant parts and their functions. Yesterday we learned about roots. Do you remember what roots do? That's right. Roots take in water and minerals from the soil and deliver it to the rest of the plant. They also help keep the plant in place. But before the water and minerals can get through the rest of the flower, they must pass through the stem of the plant. One of the main functions of the stem is to hold the plant up so it does not fall over. Stems also take water and minerals as well as food from the leaves and deliver it through the rest of the plant, such as the flower. This experiment will show how water, minerals, and food move through the stem. Using a cup of water, blue food coloring, and 1 stalk of celery, let's find out what happens when we put our celery stem into the water. Since our food coloring is already mixed in, we can go ahead and put our celery stem into the cup. This experiment will take about a day, since plants in nature need a little more time to move everything from the soil to the stem. And now we wait. Do you notice a difference in our celery stem? The celery stem has drank the water. Because the celery we buy in stores has already been picked, the water did not have any roots to travel through, but instead started from the bottom of the stem. However, through these blue lines, we can still see that the water has traveled from the bottom to the top of the stem. This is what plants do in nature, only plants normally drink water and minerals that do not have food coloring, of course. If our stem were to have other parts attached, the stem would send the water to those parts. When plants do this in nature, the stems help the plant survive by delivering the food and water to the other parts of the plant, such as the flower. Hopefully you can see through this experiment how water travels from the roots to the stem and eventually leads to the other parts of the flower.